Hey everybody, today we're going to review this vocal microphone, professional wireless microphone system by Asani. This is KTV on the top right. I don't know why, but let's check it out. So I flipped the box around and this model is YA91 and it's a Mac routable wireless system. Don't know why it's all called that, but anyways, I bought this just to have a karaoke system or a beginning karaoke system, and I thought this might be good. It has pretty good reviews and it seemed like what I needed. I'm pretty sure it is what I need because I bought it. But anyways, I wanted to surprise my wife with something that she could use while singing karaoke, and this is a wireless system, so she definitely wants something like this, but she doesn't know how to have it yet. Anyways, let's open this box and see what this is all about. So this comes with two microphones, the receiver kit, and what's this? Let's check it out. I think it's the AC plug to the receiver. Audio cables for basically I think it's the same thing. One's a male to male, and one's a male to AV. I don't know what these are called. And a microphone, basically audio jack, and that's what's going on. So first, I took away all the wires because we don't want to talk about that at the moment. So this is the microphone, and inside this is a on and off button. Turn it on, off. It's not charged or it has batteries. I don't know how that works yet, so I'll have to read. But it's pretty solid for what it is. And you can take off the top of the air filter. It's just gonna be just the mic there, I believe. Yeah, it's calming. Brand new microphone, and don't know how to unscrew it yet, so there's no battery or power to it yet. So to differentiate these, it's only basically the bottom area. The receiver looks like this. It's a Asani YA91. Power LED, audio A or B, I don't know, AF. The microphone jack, the volume, microphone volume A, B, echo, music. So you can play whatever you need to do from this. On the back side, there are two antennas that connect to the microphone. Your RL in, RL out, DC, and your power button. The instruction manuals come in, I think it looks like German and French. I don't tend to follow it well, just a FYI. This seems like it does have Bluetooth, so let me check it out. So to open the microphone, you rotate this, and this comes up, and it tells you the megahertz on the frequency on there. And this takes two batteries, and it looks like AA. So I'll put some AA's in here, and now I'm screwing this on. And now with the power on, it tells you the channel, name B, frequency, channel 2. That's all it can do basically, on and off. And there's a low battery light if there's low battery. Just the FYI, it's powered by battery. So I'll put batteries in both of them. The green one seemed like it was difficult to unscrew, but that's okay. It's probably built that way. So I plugged it in, I'll press the power button from the back, and you'll notice the power's on. and let's see if it recognizes the channel. So you notice that that light turned on because I turned on mic A and it turned off. So let's use this to show you. And it turns on and off. And as well as the other one, let's see. And there you go. The blue light turned on for some reason. I don't know what that means. Or is it on? I can't tell. It doesn't seem like it's on. Okay, so I plugged in to the back a wireless speaker, which is a Bluetooth speaker, but it's not Bluetooth connected. I used the mic male-to-male audio cable that connected to it to the back and the RL out. And so that's what's going in. Let's test it out. Oh, so it turned on.
It's working.
So let's try this out. This is echo. Let's turn off the echo. Echo. No more echo. Volume. 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 That's working.
Volume, volume, volume. And this is pretty loud.
And you can tell that the blue light turns on and off intermittently because it's recognizing sound. And this is the master volume for the mic, and then turn it lower. Oh, don't know how that works. Interesting. Oh, maybe because that's, oh yeah, because that's a master for all of them. So once that level lowers to this, that's basically it. It's a cutoff basically.
And that makes sense.
Now with two mics on,
You can hear this one or this one,
and they
both work. So they sound good.
ooh, that's some interference.
And when you put the mic close together, be careful. And it works well.
This definitely works well, and I can say that because I have some other microphone or karaoke microphones that didn't work well, and I never had a system like this. So when connecting this to like a bigger system, you're gonna have a similar output with the mics going in range, and it works really well. I'm gonna see how far I can go with this in terms of walking away from the mic to the receiver. So I just walked about 30 feet away and it was still working. I went upstairs all the way into my office, which is about 45 feet away, and it's still connected to this. So I can say it goes pretty far. I mean, if you have a big house, my house is about 2,500 square feet. And so walking from the other side to here or the other side of it was pretty far. So yeah, range is not an issue, definitely. And I went to the office, I had walls, and I went through the walls pretty fine. But it was not like a big, thick wall. So overall, it worked. I'm pretty happy with this microphone set. The wireless system is really awesome. It's clear from a long distance, and it sounds good. But my mic was bad though. I mean, not my mic, but the speaker was bad. But it definitely was clear enough to say, hey, that was it. It delivers really good, and the distance was good. In the manual, there says something about Bluetooth connection. I wish there was, but I didn't expect that because when I bought this, they didn't say anything about Bluetooth. So I'm probably have to look into it a little bit more, because that's kind of odd to have Bluetooth on this without any like connecting button. But anyways, overall, good system, good for the price. It works well. I like the distance. I like the microphones. They are really good. They're pretty durable, not super durable. They're not aluminum, they're plastic. The Asani itself, the receiver, it's built really good. I like how it's built. It's easy to manage the sound quality or the echoes and the music, output and input. So overall, the system's really good for what it is. And I really like it. Definitely recommend it. I hope you like this review, and thank you for watching.